Are you tired of feeling bloated, sluggish, or just plain uncomfortable after meals? You're not alone. Digestive issues are incredibly common, but the good news is that you can improve your digestive system naturally. In today's video, I'm going to share powerful, science-backed remedies to help your gut feel better, stronger, and healthier. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to discomfort, stick around, you won't want to miss these tips. I know firsthand how frustrating it can be to deal with bloating, indigestion, or even irregular bowel movements. It's something many of us experience, and it can really affect your daily life. That's why I'm here today to help you naturally improve your digestion so you can feel more energized and comfortable in your body. In this video, we'll break down common digestive issues and why they happen, powerful natural remedies you can easily incorporate into your lifestyle, dietary and lifestyle tips to keep your gut healthy in the long run. And don't worry, everything we'll discuss is simple and actionable, so you can start applying these remedies today. Digestive problems come in many forms: bloating, constipation, acid reflux, or even that annoying sluggish feeling after a meal. What's causing these issues? Well, the modern diet, stress, and lack of movement are often the main culprits. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Let's tackle these challenges head-on with remedies that really work. Your digestive system is deeply impacted by what you eat. One of the easiest ways to support your digestion is by incorporating more fiber and fermented foods into your diet. Fiber acts like a broom for your gut, sweeping away toxins and keeping things moving. Fermented foods like kimchi, yogurt, and sauerkraut are packed with probiotics that feed the healthy bacteria in your gut. Make sure you're getting a variety of soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps soften stool, making it easier to pass, while insoluble fiber adds bulk and prevents constipation. You can easily add chia seeds, flax seeds, or psyllium husk to your morning smoothie to boost your fiber intake. Trust me, your gut will thank you. Staying hydrated is crucial for digestion. Water helps break down food and ensures that nutrients are absorbed properly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, but here's a pro tip: start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This simple habit can kickstart your digestive system, making it easier to digest food throughout the day. Lemon water is not only hydrating but also alkalizing, helping to balance stomach acids and promote better digestion. Did you know that regular exercise can stimulate digestion? Gentle movements, like yoga or even a 10-minute walk after meals, help food move through your digestive tract, reducing bloating and discomfort. Twisting yoga poses like seated spinal twists or wind-relieving pose can be especially helpful in relieving gas and aiding digestion. Try incorporating this simple stretch into your routine. It works wonders. When was the last time you actually slowed down to enjoy your meal? Many digestive issues are a result of rushing through meals or not chewing properly. Digestion starts in your mouth, and if you don't break down food thoroughly, your stomach has to work harder. Take smaller bites, chew each bite 20 to 30 times, and try to avoid distractions like your phone while eating. This simple practice can drastically reduce bloating and indigestion. Herbs have been used for centuries to aid digestion. Some of the best ones include ginger, peppermint, and fennel. Ginger helps reduce inflammation in the gut, peppermint relaxes the muscles of the GI tract, and fennel can relieve gas and bloating. Try sipping on ginger tea before meals to stimulate digestion, or enjoy a common cup of peppermint tea after eating to soothe your stomach. All these tips work together because they target different aspects of digestion. Fiber nourishes your gut bacteria. Water helps flush toxins. Movement stimulates peristalsis, the movement of food through your digestive tract. And mindful eating ensures your body processes food efficiently. Each of these natural remedies creates a well-rounded approach to gut health. I know that making changes can feel overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and slowly build from there. Even small improvements can make a big difference in how you feel. A common mistake people make is relying too much on over-the-counter remedies like antacids, which only mask the symptoms instead of addressing the root cause. Instead, focus on these natural approaches to bring your digestive system back into balance. To recap, the key ways to improve your digestion naturally are: eat gut-friendly, fiber-rich foods, stay hydrated, move your body after meals, practice mindful eating, incorporate digestive supporting herbs into your routine. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What digestive issues are you struggling with? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Plus, if you've tried any of these remedies before, let me know how they worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and fitness tips. And if you're looking for more ways to improve your overall wellness, check out my other video on insert related video link. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to big results. You've got this. Your gut health is within your control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.